Hello everybody, today in front of me I have LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and let me show how you can download and install the Opera browser on this device. First of all, we gotta go to the Play Store. Here at the search bar, make sure to type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, just click on this green install button that is located in front of the app itself. After the app gets downloaded and installed, we'll go ahead and open it. And basically all that it's left to do is to set up some first launch stuff. So here we gotta click on allow, and we are all set. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!